Action.
Hi, I'm Amelia, and this is Quarantine Cooking with Amelia. We're going to be making molten lava cakes, and well, let's.
Alright, you want to go again? Alright, action.
Hi, I'm Amelia, and this is Quarantine Cooking with Amelia. Today we're going to be making molten lava cakes by Godiva? I'm sorry if I butchered that, but it's a kit I got for my birthday for my great grandma. So let's wash our hands and get started.
What is all over your hand?
I drew on my hand with a tattoo marker. It's supposed to draw on my hand. Amanda. Thanks, Amanda.
Yeah, thanks, Amanda.
So we will start. Yeah.
Action.
So we will start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Preheating. So you will need 9 teaspoons, since I'm making 6, I will need 9 teaspoons of melted butter and 3 eggs, and then all 3 of these packets that come with the kit, and then the 6 foil cups. So, first step, it says to melt the butter. I melted the butter. Empty the pouches of the lava cake into the melted butter. So we need to put the melted butter in.
Melted butter tastes so good. Okay.
I think you might be alone on that one, I'm just saying.
Melted butter tastes good. Am I alone on that one? Comment below.
I don't know what to use.
To what? Mix it?
We don't have a wooden spoon. Oh, never mind. We do. We got a wooden spoon.
That'll work. I hope that blows up in your face. That would be so funny.
I would be so upset. I guess Olivia would just not get one.
I like how you picked Olivia though. Not me.
Yeah, because she's been begging for me to make these.
Oh.
God knows how long. I can't cut anything. These scissors.
Well, why? Those are food scissors, not cutting scissors. Grab the scissors below you. And now you're spilling powder all over the drawer. I can see it falling.
Stop! Leave me alone! Ooh, that was stupid.
Oh my gosh!
This is why I make homemade stuff. I hate cutting open packets. The worst thing. Okay. Okay.
Did she just say she hates opening up packets? It's the worst thing. Like, it's the hardest thing she ever had to do in her lifetime was open up a packet of powder.
Yeah, Olivia agrees with me. Thanks.
Are you forgetting something?
Oh, I know. But to mix it in first, Dad. Jeez, chill out.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Yeah. So then you add the eggs.
See, are you lucky I'm here? Oh my gosh!
It's okay! It didn't spill! Oh my gosh, no.
Oh, and we get a little shell in with our cake?
It's just gonna be a little crunchy. It's okay. Oh my gosh, I hate this.
I'm glad you washed your hands.
I know, that's why you wash your hands for mistakes.
It's on your thumb.
Oh, there it is. Yep, there we go. Okay. I struggle with life. See, that's why you don't take breaks. I've been trying to do this for God knows how long. That has to be one.
So what do you gotta do? Mix it up now?
Yes. Oh, see, I found the other one. I knew there was another one.
Where are you going?
Stop. So after you're done mixing.
Sean, quiet! Shush! We're making a film out here. Oh my God! We're making a film out here. What are you doing? This is my life, guys. This is my life. Their grown-ass daughter here and the other two. Are you ready to get back at this, Amelia? Action!
So after you mix everything together, it should look like this. Because okay, hold on. So after you put all together, it should look like this. Have a few like clumps in there because it has chocolate in it, like tiny pieces. So after that, because I have 6, if it's 2, you just split it into 2. But I have 6, so you want to spray the foil cups, and then you want to divide the batter. So. You think that's enough? I'll do just to be safe because I have never done this before. So I'm gonna use just a ice cream scooper to help me divide. Okay, so we're doing a method where we put a little bit of water on the bottom and then put a pan on top so that it makes it fluffier, or that's what my sister said. It doesn't say you have to do that on the instructions, but we're going to try it because it's going to cook through anyway. You got to leave a little space right here so the water can evaporate. So the oven is preheated. One out more. That's not gonna fit in there.
Put it on top one.
And then you're gonna put it for 11 to 13 minutes. I'm gonna put it for 12 because that's the middle. So then we wait. Get them off. Stay. Replay. The water method didn't really work because it's too big. So it wouldn't fit on the middle one. So it wouldn't cook in the right time. So we had to add more time.
Look at that.
Okay.
My turn.
So now,
Eat
Aurora. Stop! I don't even know if they're good yet.
I'm thinking you guys. Oh, Aurora's fell apart.
That's why I put hers on the side.
It's okay.
What?
Yeah. I just want it off.
Are you impatient?
Yes.
So is Livy.
Yeah, I'm so
All right,
excited.
ready?
You
guys gonna?
I don't like being in your video.
Then go sit over
Go
there.
away.
Here, Mia, you take the first bite. Go ahead.
No, you go.
Okay.
Or you gotta be.
I-
You're gonna burn your mouth.
I'm gonna laugh.
It's good.
I
It's got
heard
good
you
flavor.
swallow.
It's hot.
No, really?
I've never had good. What is the word? Like luck making lava cakes.
You don't look correct, but it's okay because I also don't look correct.
Oh.
Oh, that's a completely other thing.
I'll eat the extra. All the powdered sugar in the world.
Aw,
On this tiny thing.
Doggos, Libby.
Are you recording me or that? Good meal.
Some more.
Don't show me. I'm on a diet.
On a diet.
It's a cheap
Jelly in there.
There's not.
All right, just say something. Hurry up.
Nailed it.
Say your goodbye.
Bye.
See you next time on Quarantine Cooking.
See you next time.
Oh my God. Bye.
Be strong.